Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 using an easy method. We'll start with the fundamental controls that will get you into the action quickly. Mastering movement and aiming is your first step to success. Remember to reload after engagements to stay prepared for the next fight. We'll cover these basics and more to help you enjoy the game without feeling overwhelmed. Let's dive in and get you comfortable with the battlefield. Now that you know the basic controls, let's talk about some core gameplay strategies. Sticking with your teammates is crucial for support and shared objectives. Always prioritize using cover. It's your best friend for staying alive and gaining an advantage. Understanding the map will help you predict enemy movements and find the best spots to engage or avoid conflict. These simple tactics will significantly improve your performance and enjoyment. Choosing the right loadout doesn't have to be complicated. For an easy method, start with an assault rifle or an SMG. They are reliable for many situations. When it comes to perks, focus on those that boost your health or speed up your recovery, keeping you in the fight longer. Don't be afraid to try a few different attachments on your chosen weapon to see what improves your accuracy or handling. Keep it simple to start, and you'll find what works. Finally, consistent practice is key to making the game feel easy. Focus on playing the objective in modes like domination. It's a great way to contribute and learn the flow of the game. Begin in less competitive modes to hone your skills without the intensity of ranked play. Always watch the kill cams. They offer valuable insights into how opponents are playing and where you can improve. Enjoy the process, and you'll see steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.